Welcome to Accounting 133, Spreadsheet Accounting using the Excel program. My name is Debbie Johnson, and I am a professor of accounting at Cerritos College. I'm glad you have enrolled in my class. I'm excited to meet you and to work with you on this upcoming academic journey. Please take a minute to look over my profile contained within the Canvas platform. That will give you a small glimpse into who I am. I am a CPA and a professor of accounting for over 30 years. I'm also a business person, wife, mom, and recent grandmother. I love what I do, and I hope that will come through loud and clear in this upcoming journey. I don't want to spend a whole bunch of time talking about me because the focus is always on you. I hope that you'll take the time to update your profile. I look forward to learning more about you. We will complete a get to know each other exercise with your classmates during the first week. Please see the first discussion post. This orientation is designed to give you an overview of this Accounting 133 course, Spreadsheet Accounting using Excel. So let's get started. I know you have a lot of questions. Sometimes it's scary to start a new course, and even more so if you're using a new modality to learn. Rest assured, we're on this journey together, and I will do my utmost to help you along the way. You are not alone. Please note that the curriculum for this class is located in the Canvas course management system. You can access Canvas by going to the Cerritos College homepage at www.cerritos.edu and clicking on the Canvas link. Once again, go to the Cerritos College homepage, find the Canvas link, and click on it. Enter your username and your password. On my Canvas site, you'll see many different Canvas packages or tiles because I teach so many different classes, but you'll want to look for your core cartridge and it should say Accounting 133. Let's start off by describing the course. The purpose of this course is to enable you to automate many of the routine manual functions that you studied in Accounting 100. In addition, you'll develop other practical financial templates and worksheets that will be used to assist in common business decisions. This course utilizes the Excel spreadsheet program, which lends itself well to just about any application that requires the analysis and manipulation of numbers. We will focus on many accounting applications that you covered in your introductory accounting course, as well as common business and finance applications. Although all versions or editions of Excel will be acceptable for the classwork, the exam materials will cover the most recent Excel version contained in the Office 365 package. The software is always morphing, and you may notice slight differences between the instructional materials and the most recent updates. Differences between these versions are minimal and can be overcome. So what is Excel? Excel is perhaps the most important computer software application used in the workplace today. That's why so many workers and prospective employers are required to learn Excel in order to enter or remain in the workplace. Many universities require you to be Excel proficient as well. No matter what your chosen path or field is, I'm confident that Excel will have its place in your academic institution, in your workplace, either now or in the future. Excel is used widely in many financially related activities. The ability to create new spreadsheets where users can define custom formulas to calculate anything from a simple quarterly forecast to a full-blown corporate annual report makes Excel highly appealing. Excel is also used for common information organization and for tracking. Excel offers powerful charting features which we will use and learn. There are many powerful features built into the program, and I can't wait to show them to you. It's very, very important that you read the syllabus and review the schedule of activities. This is our course contract. Both of these will guide us through the course for the entire semester. Please take a moment to write down the due dates of all of your assignments in your calendar or other course management device. Also, please print both of these documents out and include them in the front of your course binder. How is the course structured? We'll start off by learning the basics of Excel using the step-by-step book described in your syllabus. In general, we will work on familiarizing ourselves with Excel through the chapters. As part of the step-by-step chapters, you'll read them and practice what you learn by using the practice files available for download with the book. Then, to demonstrate the mastery of the material, you will create files as directed. Don't worry, for each problem there are written instructions and video instructions to assist you, and of course, I'm here to help you every step of the way. After we familiarize ourselves with the features of Excel, we'll move on to the pre-program problems. These are a series of problems that I created and started. You will complete them according to the instructions. After that, we'll be ready to create our own templates from scratch by completing the model building assignments. You will be looking at a blank Excel worksheet when you start. You'll be the artist and will create your template fulfilling the requirements that are given to you. And finally, we'll move on to work on the instructor program problems. These are the things that I believe will help you have an even greater understanding of things that you can use in your own personal financial lives. Again, every part of the course includes an instructional video to help you succeed each step of the way. Before we go any further, make sure that you're familiar with the basics of taking an online course. The Canvas management system may be new to you, so I would encourage you to take advantage of the first week and use the time to familiarize yourself with the platforms. Use the Canvas readiness tutorials available to you in the main menu of Canvas. Once you review the various tutorials, you will be ready to jump in and start the class. So let's break down the course a little further. Here's the Canvas homepage broken down into modules. Always use the modules link to access the course content. Here's the first introductory or orientation module that you'll be expected to complete in the first week. When you go look at the introductory module, you will see a series of tasks to complete. I'll let you read through the various parts of this, but make sure you view the student readiness tutorials located in the main Canvas menu. Also, it's important that you get your free access to Office 365, which contains Excel, as we will be jumping in immediately to work. A Cerritos College email address is required. There are instructions contained within the modules if you do not yet have that. It's extremely important that you order the book as soon as possible. So to recap, use this first week to familiarize yourself with the Canvas platform by watching the short video clips. The estimated time to complete them will vary on the level of experience that you have taking online courses and using the Canvas course management system. Review the documents referred to in this module, get access to the software, and obtain your text, and then get your course binder set up. It's important to stay organized along our journey. Here are some guidelines to help you navigate the course. Time management is critically important. You should set up several blocks of study time throughout the week, each and every week. Do not wait until the day an assignment is due to start it. If you do this, you will find yourself sinking quickly. You are expected to work weekly on the assignments just as you would do in a traditional class. There will be weekly uploads of Excel workbook files that you create. Please note that the institution does have an attendance policy, and if you do not check in with me either via a discussion post or file upload or via email, then I make the assumption that you are absent. And if you have too many of these, you may be dropped from the class. Neither of us wants that to happen. As long as we agree to communicate with each other, we will work toward a successful completion of the course. So let's wrap this up. After you finish watching this video orientation, follow the steps in the introductory module. Please, please, please get your book now, as we will start assignments immediately. If you are ready to jump in, you can get started on the first setup assignments out of the Excel step-by-step book. To access the instructions, get into the Canvas course site and work your way through the introductory orientation module. The way I'll know that you've completed the orientation is by you posting your response to the first discussion post. Make sure you read it carefully. You're going to introduce yourself to your classmates, and we'll all have a little bit of fun getting to know each other. You must post to the discussion board by Wednesday of the first week of class. Questions are encouraged. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions whatsoever. I look forward to helping you on this journey. Thank you for taking the time to watch this orientation video. Please remember, I'm here to help. The reason I chose the teaching profession in the first place is because I absolutely love working with students. Make note of my office hours and feel free to visit during those hours, or make an appointment if the hours don't fit with your schedule. Also, drop in to see the embedded tutor for your class. Their job is to help you make it through to completion. I'm so excited that you've enrolled in the course. My contact information is on the syllabus, and it's also on the Canvas platform. So please, please, please let me know if you have any questions whatsoever. Email is the best way, or you can always stop in to see me. My office hours are posted on your syllabus. Welcome to the class, and I can't wait to read your first discussion post. See you soon.